You're 55. Will you have enough to retire on? Let's calculate a pension based on certain assumptions. Let's say you think you'll need 60,000. I'm going to give the UK example. I'll give US, Canadian later. £60,000 a year is what you think you will need. It's up to you what you think you will need. You're 55. You want to retire at 65. Okay. You're currently able to put in the full pension allowance of £5,000 a month. You do that. And you've got savings of in your pension of £300,000. Well, rough and ready calculation says that you will be nowhere near having what you want to retire on. You'll only have £30,000 per annum. Okay, and that's assuming 5% per annum growth. You can see the problem. It's the 5% per annum growth, which is typical of an IFA or wealth or fund manager. Now, you can't increase your pension contributions because you've maxed it out. Growth makes a massive, massive difference. Let me give you an example. If it went from 5% to 8%, then you would be increasing your returns, what you'll get in income each year to £37,000. Now, that's still below what you want, but at least it's £7,000 more, which is pretty much 20% more per year. 20% a year more. Those are not individual financial advice. This is more broadly giving you numbers. I'll do a few more of these, so like and follow and save this for more. I'll do different age groups, different amounts, and different sums. The important point to get across here is that growth element. If you can improve the growth element, you're in a far better position. But of course, you want to improve growth by not increasing risk. So and it's easier to do that when you're not about to retire next year. If you're going to retire next year, you probably don't want to have any risk at all, I would have thought, potentially, unless you've already got the amount of capital you need for the next 5 years set aside in cash, just as a safety net. Anyway, if you'd like to learn a lot more about investment strategies, pensions, all those things, have a look at the link in the bio for a ton of free educational information resources for you. Okay, like, follow for more, and I'll make sure you get more of these videos. Thank you.